Bangaloru, physician and diabetologist. I am also the executive member of the Karnataka chapter of the Research Society for the Study of Diabetes in India. Today I want to emphasize on something called delaying the progression of type 2 diabetes. As we all know, diabetes, there are two types. One is type 1 diabetes, the other is a type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, we know it is an absolute deficiency of insulin, where actually insulin is forms the main role in treatment of the type 1 diabetes. But when it comes to type 2 diabetes is basically a progressive disease. That is what we want to keep it in mind. So once we know that a person is diagnosed to have type 2 diabetes, it is important to the physician to think about basically to prevent further progression of the disease, or at least delay the progression of the disease to the extent at which the complications are minimized at a large. Diabetes, when we talk about managing type 2 diabetes, there are three essential things that we have to majorly focus on, that being diet, exercise and medications. Diet is the first thing. As everyone says, lifestyle modification is the first thing. Diet and exercise is the components of lifestyle modifications. Diet, when it comes to diet, basically a person thinks that just cut down on sugars is all that is required to manage diabetes, and there are many number of patients who just cut down on sugars and think they are all well managed. By the way, after some years, when they see there is a lot of progression in the actual pathophysiology of the diabetes. So here we should emphasize with the patients, telling that cutting down on carbohydrates is not just sufficient. You should also add more proteins and other ingredients to actually improve the nutrition to the body, to enhance the efficacy of the body, so that the insulin resistance is also dealt with properly. Coming to exercise also requires insulin and carbohydrates. So it's just by exercising, we cannot say that diabetes can be improved and we can conquer diabetes. So diet together with exercise in a very synergetical manner really helps to maintain diabetes pathophysiology by reducing the insulin resistance, and actually energy efficiency of the muscles is improved. Medications. The medications are multiple ways, work by multiple ways. The right medication is chosen upon by the doctor at the right time. If medications are going to deal with everything in diabetes, then we don't have to really worry about, but it doesn't happen so. So along with diet and medication, improving the efficiency of the muscles and reducing the glucose response in the body, medications actually fill the gap and do the job by enhancing the efficacy of the body regulatory mechanisms. So friends, keep in mind, it's not just diet or exercise, it is a triad of diet, exercise and medications that has to be together in effective management of diabetes. By this, we can actually delay the progression of diabetes and also reduce the complications in a larger extent. Thank you.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching TheRightDoctors.com.